Electric scooter manufacturer Ather Energy is gearing up to break a 2.5-month dry spell in the primary market with its much-anticipated debut public offering later this month. The Bengaluru-based EV firm filed its DRHP with the Securities and Exchange Board of India on Tuesday, April 22nd. Notably, this will be the first IPO of financial year 2025-2026. Ather Energy is a vertically integrated electric two-wheeler company engaged in design, development and in-house assembly of scooters, battery packs, charging stations and proprietary software systems. The IPO presents a lucrative exit opportunity for early investors such as Tiger Global and the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund. It should be noted that Hero MotoCorp, which is Ather's largest stakeholder with a 40% shareholding, will not be selling any shares in this offering. Ather Energy reported a sales of 109,577 electric two-wheelers in FY24. The electric two-wheeler manufacturer has incurred losses since its incorporation, recording a loss before tax of 1,059 crore rupees for the fiscal year 2024. This was significantly higher than 864 crore rupees in loss in FY23 and 344 crore rupees loss in FY22. Ather Energy has 265 experience centers and 233 service centers across India, 5 experience centers and 4 service centers in Nepal, and 10 experience centers along with 1 service center in Sri Lanka. Ather Energy IPO opens for subscription on April 28th and will be closed on April 30th. The price band has been fixed in the range of 304 rupees to 321 rupees per equity share of face value of 1 rupees. The IPO lot size is 46 equity shares and in multiples of 46 equity shares thereafter. The allocation to anchor investors for Ather Energy IPO is scheduled to take place on Friday, April 25th. The company is set to raise around 2,980 crore rupees via IPO that comprises fresh issue of 2,626 crore rupees. Ather intends to allocate 927 crore rupees of the total IPO proceeds to set up an electric two-wheeler manufacturing plant in Maharashtra, 40 crore rupees for debt repayment and invest 750 crore rupees in research and development. It also plans to spend 300 crore rupees on marketing initiatives. The share allotment for Ather Energy IPO is set to be determined on May 2nd. The refunds will be initiated by company on Monday, May 5th. While the allottees will also get the shares in their demat accounts on the same day, and the listing on the BSE and the NSE is scheduled for May 6th. Axis Capital Limited, HSBC Securities and Capital Markets Private Limited, JM Financial Limited, Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited are the book-running lead managers for Ather IPO, while Link Intime India Private Limited is functioning as the registrar for this offering. Ather IPO has reserved not less than 75% of the shares in the public issue for qualified institutional buyers and not more than 15% for non-institutional investors, and not more than 10% of the offer is reserved for retail investors. The employees have been reserved up to 1 lakh equity shares with a discount of 30 rupees per equity share. Ather Energy share price were trading at a premium of 20 rupees in the grey market according to IPO Watch, which is 6% above its upper price band.